47-year-old Derek Scott Finkbeiner was elected sheriff in Hot Springs County, Arkansas in 2022. And since then, he has been arrested 3 times while sheriff. Now, Finkbeiner, after his first arrest in October 2023, he was forbidden to perform duties as a sheriff, but he wouldn't resign officially until after his third arrest. So what happened? Well, Finkbeiner realizes that the FBI is targeting someone in a narcotics operation. And since then, Finkbeiner has admitted to smoking meth and crack cocaine with the target of the FBI. Well, once Finkbeiner realizes that this target that he's gotten high with is a target of the FBI, he sets about trying to thwart the investigation. And so his first arrest in October 2023, he is charged with witness tampering, obstruction of justice, making false statements to law enforcement, failure to report a felony, and unlawful drug use while in possession of a firearm. His duties as sheriff was suspended. He couldn't just be fired or kicked off the job because he hadn't been convicted of a crime yet, and he bonded out in October 2023, and he pleaded innocent at that time. Now, his second arrest was by the Arkansas State Police in April 2024, and he was charged with misdemeanor sexual solicitation. Apparently, Finkbeiner, using narcotics, offered some young woman narcotics in exchange for having sex with him. Now, he was also charged in April 2024 by the state of Arkansas with felony unauthorized use of Arkansas's database of criminal information, and details about crimes used by law enforcement. This database is not open to the public. And while the sexual solicitation is a misdemeanor, remember, the unauthorized use of the state's database to look up criminal information, well, that's a felony. So not only did Finkbeiner lie to the FBI about the sheriff's department's relationship with the FBI's target, he also says that he and this target found secret surveillance by the FBI and, I don't know, tried to remove it, tear it up, get around it. Anyway, he was arrested a third time. The third arrest was approximately a month ago, February 7th, 2025, in Saline County. Now, he was still acting sheriff of Hot Springs, Arkansas. However, after this arrest, he would ultimately resign the position. And in federal court, Finkbeiner confessed, or he admitted, that from approximately August 19th, 2023, through August 24th of 2023, less than a week, about 5 days, that he intentionally, purposely misled and concealed material facts from the FBI about the nature of Hot Springs Sheriff's Department's relationship with this target. Other charges were dropped as a result of his plea deal. Now, you have to wonder, when did this heavy drug use start? Because doing methamphetamine, smoking crack cocaine, that is heavy drug use. And my guess is Finkbeiner would have been a sheriff's deputy before becoming sheriff. Sentencing will take place in about 4 months. And like I said, he's facing a maximum of 5 years in prison. Do you wonder, like I do, how many citizens in Hot Springs, Arkansas was subjected to some sort of brutality, or if there are going to be more women who step forward to say that they suffer from addiction issues or they were caught with some sort of illegal substance and they felt pressured or coerced by the then sheriff, Derek Finkbeiner, to have sex with him in order to get out of those charges. Finally, well, if Finkbeiner was able to do his job while he was high as a fine mink coat, will there be defense attorneys to step up and say, this is the man who arrested my client. My client was ultimately convicted, and now my client wants an entire review of his or her case. Anyway, shout out to the people of Hot Springs, Arkansas. Best of luck to you. And you know what? Shout out to the FBI in the state of Arkansas for arresting a corrupt sheriff.